hair is a little messed up. I'm trying to be complicated. Alright, so it's Sunday, like I said before, it's 2:30. Y'all know Sunday 2:30 is my time, so everybody stop what you're doing. Just kidding. But we're going to get started by thanking Molly's Room for our new collab. Every Sunday, every Saturday, you will see us dressed in Molly's Room boutique clothing. Today I have on the cutest little dress. I love this dress, one, because it's pink. And then I love the little ruffle shoulder sleeves that I do have on. It's off the shoulder. It also comes with the hoodie. You can wear it if you want with some sneakers. I kind of like to let it hang. It looks like a little grasshopper tail in the back. And as always, we got purses to complement the dress. First purse up is our messenger bag. It's a jelly bag, just like the bit wider. This one is just a messenger bag. We also have this one in a bunch of colors. Squeeze the side, it'll open. Holds a good amount of stuff. Your phone should be able to fit in here, your keys, and if you walk around with lip gloss or whatnot. Of course, you can go ahead and use this as well. It's a messenger bag. Like I said, I have it in maybe like 4 different colors, but to be real, I didn't feel like holding on purses up today. Again, this is a messenger bag. It is on our website. It's just like the jelly bag, same material, comes in all those fancy little colors as well. The next purse that I get is the peppermint clutch purse. Now, I love these little bags. They're heavy too. They kind of like the eye bags. See, it's a little peppermint. It's all shiny. Currently, I have 2 colors in this. I will add the other options for this purse. They come in different colors like this one. This one is a clutch too. This one can't really hold much. You see, it's not that big, but you do have an extra strap to make it longer if you're not one of those people that like to really like have your purse that close to you or up on your shoulder, or you know, I'm kind of bougie sometimes, so I like to wear it like that. But again, it complements perfect with the dress. So this is the peppermint clutch. Then I have another color. I have, I'm gonna break my little crown. This one. This one is the multi-color one. This is the peppermint clutch too. Again, just make sure you select which clutch that you actually want. They both, like I said, come with 2 chains. You can make this a really long extended purse, or you can just wear it like a little clutch. It's real cute. Either or. They're both nice. They both complement the dress depending on what shoes you want to wear with it. Basically that's it. So for today, we just did a little mini video. Peppermint clutches. Let me hold them up close. You heard the noise. That they really heavy. That's the color form. That's the plain. This is pink and white. I don't know if it's showing pink and white on the screen. It looks kind of like reddish to me, but it's definitely pink and white. I have an original red and white color. I just don't have it on hand right now, literally on hand, but I do have it here. Again, peppermint clutches are what these called. They're also on the website, as well as the jelly messenger bag. And it's from Molly's Room, so go ahead, shop Molly's Room. I'm not sure what it's called, but you will definitely see the word on the website because she looked bomb in her pink dress. So, happy Sunday. Stay dry, stay